Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Well, now you see the car has paint on it. This is DuPont Pepper Gray. There's a heavy coat of clear coat on this to hide anything where the stripes are on the car. So we're going to go around and take a look at the car, how it turned out. It's still need to be water sanded buffed in some spots, but you know, all that'll rub out. It's great. The car's straight, it looks pretty. We're going to be putting some wheels on there, get all the interior in, and do more videos. But let's go ahead and follow along and check it out. Alright, check out that taillight panel there. It's blacked out so that it makes them stripes look real good as they flow down the rear of the tail section of the car. We have that Shelby rear duckbill style deck lid. The upper and lower side scoops as well and flares. That SVO exhaust exit with those custom tips there. Those you can't buy, those are custom made. And of course under the hood there you've got that big Coyote V8. And as you've seen on the channel, that being put in there, and also the Mustang 2 with the front drilled slotted rotors along with the rear, and you get another exhaust tip picture there. And as we roll along the back where the gas cap filler goes in, and again you can see that tail panel. Now let's go on to the end of this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Just like this car here, it started out as a bare bones coupe car, and as you see it today, it's a beautiful 67, 68 style Fastback Mustang. But there's still a lot of work to be done, and that'll be on continuous videos from now until it gets finished. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead, close the shop down. We're gonna get back and get to work on some Chevrolets and some Fords in the shop, and I'll catch you on the next video.